Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Agriculture and GK. So today's video is going to be the most important video if you are preparing for agriculture officer. I am Shivani, your food tech tutor, and today I'll be teaching the most important solved question paper 2011 of agriculture officer. So if you are new to the channel, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more latest videos on agriculture related exams and everything. We also provide a premium WhatsApp group where we provide all the materials, links, PDFs and discussions related to agriculture competitive examinations and many more. So if you are interested, then ping a message to the given WhatsApp number given below. So let's get started the video. The first question, that is Blue Revolution, refers to poultry, agriculture, food processing, fisheries. So the Blue Revolution refers to the fisheries. You can also remember this as fishes live in water, which is blue in color. So you can refer this with the Blue Revolution, that is fisheries. Option number 4 is the correct answer. The second question, area under dry land agriculture in India is. So here the question is the dry land area for agriculture in India is of how much percentage? So 70%, 60%, 50% or 40%. So the answer is 60%, that is option number 2. The next question is the third question, that is first man-made cereal is. So the first man-made cereal is wheat, triticale, rice or bajra. So the first man-made cereal is triticale, that is option number 2. The next question, the cotton developed by transfer of Bt gene in cotton plant is known as organic cotton, inorganic cotton, transgenic cotton or non-transgenic cotton. So here the cotton which is developed by the transfer of biotechnologically gene in the incorporation of cotton plant is known as transgenic cotton, that is third option. The next question, that is yellow revolution is associated with. So the yellow revolution is associated with options which are given: milk, pulses, cereals, oil seeds. So the yellow revolution is associated with the production of oil seeds. You can also remember this with oil seeds, that is production of oil which is yellow in color. So yellow revolution relates with the option number 4. The next question, the most efficient micronutrient in Indian soil is zinc, iron, manganese or nitrogen. So the most deficient mineral or micronutrient present in the Indian soil or found in the Indian soil is zinc, manganese, iron or nitrogen. So the answer is zinc, that is option number 1. The next question, that is striga is associated with which crop? Striga is associated with which of the following crop? So striga is associated with wheat, pulses, sorghum or mango. So striga is associated with sorghum, that is option number 3. The next one, which of the following parameters can be measured through dispersion? Standard deviation, range, mean or mode. So this is an unrelated question with agriculture, but still we'll discuss this. That is standard deviation, which is measured through dispersion. So the next question, that is the 9th question, support price for agriculture commodities are announced by ICAR, that is Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Agricultural Price Commission, Department of Agriculture Research and Education, that is DARE, Food and Agricultural Organization. So the answer is Agricultural Price Commission is the one government that announces the support price for agricultural commodities. The next question, that is which of the following is not a farming system, on the basis of land use and cultural practices classification. Options here which are given: specialized farming, tenant farming, mixed farming or diversified farming. So here the question again is, which of the following is not a farming system on the basis of land use and cultural practices classification? So the specialized farming, mixed farming and diversified farming is related to the land use and cultural practices classification, whereas tenant farming is not the farming system which is on the basis of land use and cultural practices classification. So option number 2 is the correct answer. So the 11th question, when two single crosses are crossed, the resulting hybrid is known as. So the resulting hybrid is always known as double cross, which is the correct answer. Next question is, hybrid varieties were first commercially exploited in. So the hybrid varieties which were first commercially exploited in which of the crop? Bajra, maize, sorghum or cotton? So the first hybrid varieties which were first commercially exploited was in maize, that is option number 2. The plant part to be cultured in vitro is known as. The plant part to be cultured in vitro is known as zygotic plant, miniature plant, explant or infant plant. So the plant part which is to be cultured in vitro is known as explant, that is option number 3. The 14th question, the initial seed of a variety produced by the breeder is known as breeder's seed, nucleus seed, certified seeds or registered seed. So the initial seed which is the initial seed of any variety produced by the breeder is known as nucleus seeds, that is option number 2. So let's see the next question, that is 15th question. Certified seed is produced from breeder seed, nucleus seeds, register seeds or foundation seeds. So the certified seed is produced always from the foundation seed. The next question, that is the 16th question. The progeny of a self-pollinated plant is. The progeny of a self-pollinated plant is known as homozygous, heterozygous, heteromogeneous, heterozygous or heterogeneous. So the progeny of a self-pollinated plant is known as homozygous, that is option number A. The 17th question, the term heterosis was first used by Punnett, Bateson, Mandel or Shull. So the term heterosis was first used by the scientist with name Shull. So the next question, that is 18th question, development of fruit without fertilization is known as parthenogenesis, polyembryony, apomixis or budding. So the development of fruit without fertilization is known as parthenogenesis. This we are studying from our childhood in biology, that development of fruit without fertilization is known as parthenogenesis. The 19th question, the sugar present in DNA is called ribose, deoxyribose, maltose or fructose. So the full form of DNA is also deoxyribose nucleic acid. So the second option is the correct one. The 20th question, when single gene is affecting more than one character, it is known as pleiotropy, penetrane, polymorphism or phenocopy. So the question is, when single gene is affecting more than one character, then it is known as phenotopy, that is option number 1. The next question, that is Ganga 5 is a hybrid of. The Ganga 5 is a hybrid of sorghum, wheat, cotton or maize. So Ganga 5 is a hybrid of maize variety, that is option number 4. The 22nd question, a character governed by one gene is called. So a character governed by one gene is called as polygenic, monogenic, digenic or trigenic. So one gene means mono, 2 means di, 3 means tri, and more than 3 is known as poly. So you can also guess this answer as monogenic, that is option number 2nd. The 23rd question, the oxidized zone of butyl paddy is having a thickness of. So the oxidized zone of butyl paddy is having a thickness of top 1 to 10 millimeters, top 45 millimeters, top 25 millimeters, top 15 to 20 millimeters. So the option which is correct is the top 1 to 10 millimeters. This is the thickness of the butyl paddy, which is known as oxidized zone. So the next question, that is the 24th question. The area required for DAPOG nursery for sowing of 1 hectare rice is 50 meters square, 100 meters square, 30 meters square, or 10 meters square. So the question is, the area required for DAPOG nursery for sowing 1 hectare rice is 50 meters square, 30 meters square, or 100 meters square, or 10 meters square. That the answer is 30 meters square, that is option number 2. The seed rate in kg per hectare of hybrid rice is 25 kg per hectare, 5 kg per hectare, 45 kg per hectare, or 15 kg per hectare. So the seed rate of hybrid rice is option number 4, 15 kg per hectare. The 26th question, the simplest and common method of sugar planting is. The simplest and common method used for the planting of sugar cane is trench method, ridge and furrow method, planting in flat beds, or Ryan guns method. So the answer is planting in flat beds, that is option number 3. 27th question, best suited soils for groundnut cultivation is. So the best suited soil for groundnut cultivation is, the options are sandy, sandy loam, clay loam, and sandy and clay loam. So the option is second option, that is sandy loam is the best suited soil for cultivation of groundnuts. That is the correct answer. The 28th question, the sowing depth of dwarf wheat varieties is 6 to 7 centimeter, 2 to 3 centimeter, 4 to 5 centimeter, or 5 to 6 centimeter. So the dwarf wheat varieties are sown in the depth of 4 to 5 centimeters. That is option number 3. So the next question, that is, which crop is considered as major oilseed crop in India? Groundnut, sesame, castor, rapeseed, and mustard. So here the question is, which crop is considered as a major oilseed crop in India? Groundnut, sesame seeds, castor. Here range is given, which is rapeseed and mustard. So groundnut, that is option number 1, is the major oilseed crop in India. The next question, 30th question, most commonly used herbicide to kill broadleaf weeds in wheat field is Aleclor, Atrazine, 2,4-D, or Isoproteron. So 2,4-D, that is option number 3, is the correct answer. 2,4-D is the most widely used or commonly used herbicide to kill the broadleaf weeds in the wheat field. Next is the 31st question. Gypsum application required for the development of better pods in groundnut is 250 grams per hectare, 800 kilograms per hectare, 500 kg per hectare, or 1000 kg per hectare. So the gypsum application for the development of better pods in groundnut is 250 kg per hectare. That is option number 1. The 32nd question, the pop in groundnut is due to the deficiency of. So the pop in groundnut is due to the deficiency of which micronutrient or macronutrients? calcium, nitrogen, phosphorus or potassium. So the pop which is caused in groundnut is due to the deficiency of calcium, that is option number 1. Next question, that is 33rd question. The most commonly and widely cultivated pulse crop in India is red gram, pea, lentil or chickpea. The most widely and commonly used pulse crop in India is chickpea, that is option number 4. Next, 34th question, for Kabuli gram inter-row spacing is. So for Kabuli gram inter-row spacing is 30 centimeter or 75 centimeter, 45 centimeter or 90 centimeter. So for Kabuli gram inter-row spacing which is required is 45 centimeter, that is option number 3. The next 35th question, major pest of gram is pod borer, white grub, cutworm, stem borer. Major pest which is normally caused in gram is 1, that is pod borer, option number 1. Next one, 36th question, that is the highest production of mustard is contributed by the state of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh or Madhya Pradesh. The highest production of mustard, that is sarso, is contributed by which state? So Rajasthan is at the first position for the highest production of mustard in India. So the option goes with second one, that is Rajasthan. 37th question, the sprinkler system of irrigation is most suitable for. Sprinkler system which is most suitable for irrigation in which kind of soils? That is unbelted, saline soil, clay soil or acidic soil. So the sprinkler type of irrigation system is most suited for underwelted soil, that is option number 1. Next, 38th question. In Rajasthan, highest area of crop in Kharif season is covered under. So in Rajasthan, highest area of crop in Kharif season is covered under, that is options are cotton, maize, bajra or sorghum. So in Rajasthan, the highest area of crop which is grown in Kharif season is covered under is the question. Which is the highest area crop grown in this season is cotton, maize, bajra or sorghum. So the answer is bajra, which is which actually highest area occupies during the Kharif season in Rajasthan. The 39th question, the crop which is used both as pulse and as oil seed crop is soybean, black gram, cowpea or arhar. So the 39th question, the crop which is used as pulse as well as oil seed crop is soybean, that is option number 1. Next question, 40th question, in Rajasthan common mixed cropping is. So in Rajasthan, most common mixed cropping is gram mustard, mustard barley, mustard plus wheat or groundnut plus til. So mixed cropping which is most commonly practiced in regions of Rajasthan is gram plus mustard, that is option number 1. So the next question, that is 41st question, the best green manuring crop is. So the best green manuring crop is guar, sunhemp, dhaincha, barseem. So the best green manuring crop is sunhemp, that is option number 2. The 42nd question, the injury caused by relatively low temperature above the freezing point is called as freezing injury, mechanical injury, dehydration injury or chilling injury. So the question again is, the injury which is caused by low temperature above the freezing point is known as. So this injury is most commonly caused in the storage of fruits and vegetables, that is known as chilling injury, and is different for different types of fruits and vegetables, that is option number 4. The next question, that is 43rd question. Inherent capacity of soil to supply nutrients in balanced form is known as soil productivity, soil fertility, fertility index, productivity index. So the inherent capacity of soil to supply nutrients in balanced form is known as soil fertility, that is option number 2. The 44th question. Well-rotted FYM contain nitrogen in which percentage? So well-rotted FYM contain nitrogen in which percentage? The options are 0.5%, 1%, 1.5% and 2%. So the well-rotted FYM contain nitrogen with 0.5%, that is option number 1. Magnesium and sulfur are termed as primary nutrients, micronutrients, ultra-micronutrients or secondary nutrients. So magnesium and sulfur are termed to be the secondary nutrients, that is option number 4. So 46th question. Chlorosis refers to burning of leaf tissue, yellowing of leaf tissue, death of a leaf tissue or development of reddish brown color on leaf. So chlorosis is caused in leaves during the aging. So it is due to which type, that is burning of leaf tissue or yellowing of leaf tissue or death of a leaf tissue, development of reddish brown color on leaf. So answer is the yellowing of leaf tissue is termed to be the chlorosis. The term used for yellowing of leaves is known as chlorosis. The 47th question. Which of the soil has high buffering capacity? So which soil has high buffering capacity? That is sandy soil, clovey soil, loamy soil or loamy sand soil. So which soil has high buffering capacity? That is sandy soil, clovey soil, loamy sand soil or loamy soil. So the clovey soil has high buffering capacity when compared to sandy and loamy sandy soils. So option number 2 is the correct answer. The 48th question. Under high solace irrigation, water will prefer to grow in barley, gram, pea or wheat. So under high solace irrigation of water, which type of crop will prefer to grow the best? That can be barley, gram, pea or wheat. So barley needs higher solace irrigation water, so it will be grown the best. So option number 1 is the correct answer. So the next question. Khaira disease of rice is due to the deficiency of zinc, iron, nitrogen or calcium. So the Khaira disease of rice is due to the deficiency of zinc, that is option number 1. So the next question. That is very important constituents found in fruits for preparing jelly is known as sugar, vitamin, cellulose or pectin. So for jelly formation, pectin is required. Therefore, sugar is also required, but pectin is the main constituent which is naturally found in fruits and vegetables. But for preparing jelly, high amount of pectin is needed. Therefore, it is a very important constituent for the preparation of jelly. The 51st question. Maximum number of fruit plants can be planted in orchard by the system of triangular system, hexagonal system, rectangular system or square system. So the maximum number of fruit plants can be planted in the orchard by the system is hexagonal system. So in this system, the maximum number of fruit plants can be planted. So continuing with the 52nd question. Which flower can be grown in all seasons? So which flower can be grown in all seasons? Options are marigold, chrysanthemum, cornflower or candy tuft. So marigold is a flower which can be grown in all the seasons. 53rd question. Which of the following is the fruit vegetable? Potato, sweet potato, tomato or spinach. Here the spinach is written as spintech, but it is spinach. Potato, sweet potato, tomato or spinach. Therefore, the answer is tomato, which is known as a fruit vegetable. It is categorized under fruit, but it is taken as a vegetable. The 54th question, which is not a growth promoter: cytokinins, abscisic acid, auxins, or gibberellins. So, which of these are not a growth promoter? So, all of these are hormones, and cytokinins, auxins, and gibberellins are growth promoting hormones, and abscisic acid is not categorized under the growth promoting hormones. Which is not fruit of arid climatic conditions: date palm, banana, pomegranate, bear. So, which of the fruits are not grown under the arid climatic conditions? So, the options are date palm, banana, pomegranate, or bear. So, banana is not grown under the arid climatic conditions. So, option number 2 is the correct answer. So, the next question, that is 56th question: date palm should be propagated by. So, date palm should be propagated by seeds, rhizomes, buddings, or suckers. So, date palm is propagated by suckers. That is option number 4. The 57th question: most economic method of irrigation of orchid underwater scarcity conditions is. So, the most economic method for irrigation if orchid is under water scarcity, if water is very low or water needed is very low, then which type of irrigation system is most economic? Drip system, sprinkler system, flood system, or ring system? So, the answer is first one, that is drip system is the correct answer, which is the most economic method if there is a water scarcity condition. The next question: seedlessness in grapes is due to. So, seedlessness in grapes is due to. Options are parthenocarpy, embryo abortion, polyploidy, or lack of pollination. So, the answer is parthenocarpy, that is production of fruit without fertilization. We have also discussed seedlessness in grapes is due to seedlessness in grapes is also due to the parthenocarpy conditions. So, next is snowfall 16 is a variety of. So, snowfall 16 is a variety of which crop? That is cauliflower, cabbage, potato, or tomato. So, snowfall is a variety of cauliflower, that is option number 1. The main host tree for cultivation of lac insect is Palas, khejari, babul, or peepal. So, the main host tree for the cultivation of lac insect is Pallas, that is option number 1. The next question is loose smut of wheat is a disease of. Loose smut of wheat is a disease of internally seed-borne, or is it airborne disease, or soil-borne disease, or externally seed-borne disease? Loose smut of wheat is a disease of internally seed-borne disease. It is neither airborne or soil-borne or seed-borne disease. So, next question, that is 62nd question. Powdery mildew is a disease caused by. So, powdery mildew is a disease caused by viruses. Is the most common repeated question which comes in every exam. So, powdery mildew disease is caused by virus, not bacteria or nematode or any fungus. The 63rd question: primary source of infection to green ear disease in bajra is seed and soil, air, insect, soil. So, the primary source for the infection in bajra, which is known as green ear disease, is seed and oil. That is option number 1. The 64th question: tomato leaf curl is caused by. The tomato leaf curl is a disease which is caused by which microorganism? Virus, bacteria, fungus, or mycoplasma. So, tomato leaf curl is caused by the virus. That is option number 1. The most effective fungicide under or against powdery mildew disease is Captain, Dethan Z78, Bavistine or Carathene. The most effective fungicide against powdery mildew disease is Carathene, that is option number 4. Which one of the following is not a physical factor affecting the type of farming? So which one of the following is not a physical factor affecting the type of farming? Options here are topography, climate, labor supply or soil. So here directly the climate is not a physical factor which affects the type of farming. The 67th question, which of one of the following is not component of farm business? Capital, land, management or environment. Options are capital, environment, land or management. So which is not a component of farm business? So farm business has no relation with environment. So the option 2 is the correct answer. The cost calculated per quintal is known as cost of farming, cost of cultivation, cost of production, total cost. So 68th question, cost calculated per quintal is known as cost of farming, cost of cultivation, cost of production or total cost. So cost calculated per quintal is known as cost of cultivation, that is the second answer. 69th question, the Krishi Vignan Kendra KVK are 100% funded by state government, ICAR, UGC or CSIR. So the 69th question, इसका आंसर है ICAR. This KVK is 100% funded by ICAR. So the next question, that is 70th question. The effective extension method to improve farmers about a particular recommended practice for a specific area is. So again I'll repeat the question. The effective extension method to improve farmers about a particular recommended practice for a specific area. So for a specific area, a recommended practice and an effective extension method is introduced to farmers, which is that television, radio, demonstration or pamphlets. So we cannot use television or radio, or we cannot use pamphlets for any method. So demonstration is a correct term which we can use to show or explain any kind of method to be used. Which of the following is not a method of group communication? Conference, national demonstration, farms and home visits, field trips. So farm and home visits are not any type of group communication. So third one is the correct answer. The damping of disease of seedlings is mainly caused by the species of. Damping of disease of seedlings is mainly caused by the species of Mucor, Puccinia, Pythium, Astaligo. So the damping of disease in seedlings is caused by the Pythium, that is option number 3. Late blight of potato is caused by Phytophthora infestans, Sclerospora graminis, Alternaria solani, Colitotrichum falcatum. So the late blight of potato is a disease which is caused by which kind of microorganism? That is Phytophthora infestans is the microorganisms due to which late blight of potato is caused. The 74th question, root knot disease of brinjal is caused by fungi, bacteria, nematodes or viruses. So root knot disease in brinjal is very famous, which is caused by the nematodes. Therefore, third option is the correct one. The 75th question, which one of the following elements is a micronutrient? Boron, nitrogen, phosphorus, magnesium. Boron, nitrogen, phosphorus or magnesium. So which of the following is a micronutrient? So boron is a micronutrient and others are macronutrients. So the 76th question, movement of water molecule from a solution with a higher concentration towards the lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is known as osmosis. This is the definition of osmosis. The osmosis is defined as the movement of water molecules from a solution with their higher concentration to lower concentration solution through a semi-permeable membrane. The 77th question, which one of the following plants is an example of incomplete dominance? So the 77th question, that is, which one of the following plant is an example of incomplete dominance? That is Pisum sativum, P. Lathyrus odoratus, Raphanus sativus, Mirabilis jalepa. So option number B, that is Lathyrus odoratus, is the example of incomplete dominance. The 78th question, that is soil particle size of slit soil ranges between. The soil particle size of slit soil ranges from 2.0 millimeter to 0.2 millimeter, 0.2 to 0.02, 0.02 to 0.002, or 0.002 to 0.0002. So please read the question carefully and mark the answer. 2.0 to 0.2 or 0.2 to 0.02, 0.02 to 0.002, 002 to 0002. So the answer is 0.02 millimeters to 0.002 millimeters. That is option number 3, that is 0.02 millimeter to 0.002 millimeter. The next question, that is 79th question, pH of saline soils is. So pH of saline soils is 8.5 approx. So option number 1 is the correct answer. 80th question, sodic soils can be made more productive by adding of. So sodic soils can be made more productive by adding of boron, calcium, phosphorus, or sodium. So boron is the answer which is added to make the soil sodic. 81st question, that is first milk after the parturition of cow is known as. So after the parturition of cow, the first milk is known as colostrum, whereas toned milk and buttermilk are the byproducts of milk, whereas cheese is also a product of milk. Next question, which one of the following is a disease of young calf? So which one of the young calf? That is So the disease which is related to young calf is theileriosis, mastitis, acidosis, or osteoporosis. So here the osteoporosis is caused in the young calves. The next question, IVLP का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? So IVLP का फुल फॉर्म इंस्टीट्यूशन विलेज लाइव स्टॉक प्रोजेक्ट, इंटरनेशनल वैल्यू लिंक्ड प्राइस, इंस्टीट्यूशनल विलेज लाइवलीहुड डेवलपमेंट प्लान, इंस्टीट्यूशन विलेज लिंक प्रोग्राम. So the option number 4 is the correct answer, that is institutional village linkage program. 85th question, that is which one of the following is a training institute? ATMA, KVK, DRDA, ATIC. So KVK is the training institute, that is Krishi Vigyan Kendra. We all know this question. 86th question, foot and mouth disease is caused by fungal disease, bacterial disease, viral disease, or parasitic disease. So foot and mouth disease is caused by the virus, so it's a viral disease. The inflammation of udder is known as metritis, mastitis, otitis, gastritis. So the inflammation of udder is known as mastitis. It's caused in cows. That is the inflammation of udder. 88th question, the heifer becomes breedable at approximately age of. So the heifer become breedable at approximately the age of 4 to 5 years. That is option number 2. 89th question, recommended breed of buffalo for Ajmer district is. So the recommended breed of buffalo for Ajmer district is Murra, Surti, Jafrabadi, Neeli Ravi. So Surti is the buffalo breed which is found in the Ajmer district. Next question, which one of the following is a milky breed of cattle? The question is, which one of the following is a milky breed of cattle? Haryana, Nagori, Sahiwal, Mewati. So Sahiwal is the correct answer, that is the milky breed of cattle. Gir breed of cattle is appropriate for which area? Ajmer area, Jaisalmer, Bikaner area or Jalore area? Gir breed of cattle is appropriate for Ajmer area, Bikaner area, Jaisalmer area or Jalore area. So for Jalore area in Rajasthan, the Gir breed of cattle is appropriate. 92nd question, milk production potential for good breed of Gir cattle is. So the milk production potential of good breed of Gir cattle is 1000 to 2000 liters, 2000 to 2500 liters, 2500 to 4500 liters or 5000 to 8000 liters. So the option is 2000 to 2500 liters. The best time for doing AI, that is artificial insemination, after the start of heat in cow is. So the question is, best time for doing artificial insemination after the start of heat in cow is 8 to 10 hours, after 12 to 8 hours, or after 24 to 30 hours, or after 30 to 36 hours. So the answer is after 12 to 18 hours. 94th question, which one of the following gas is used for the storage of semen? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen or argon? So we all know this, that the gas which is used for storage, that is long term storage, is nitrogen. Which one of the following disease can be transmitted through bulls in natural breeding? Brucellosis, parakeratosis, silicosis or mastitis? So which is the disease that is transmitted through bulls in natural breeding? So silicosis is a disease that can be transmitted through bulls in the natural breeding. The 96th question, silage making is a method of. So silage making is a method of preservation of fodder in the green stage. 97th question, hay making is a method of preservation of rice, preservation of wheat, or preservation of fodder, or preservation of pulses. So hay making is the preservation of fodder. Pica disease is caused by deficiency of. So pica disease is caused by the deficiency of which constituent? That is vitamins, minerals, fiber or protein. So pica disease is caused by the vitamin deficiency, that is option number 1. The osteoporosis disease is associated with the deficiency of which type of vitamin or mineral? That is calcium, phosphorus, magnesium or sulfur. So osteoporosis is due to the deficiency of calcium. The bone density decreases, therefore the osteoporosis disease is caused. The 100th question, grass tetany disease is caused by. The grass tetany disease is caused by the deficiency of magnesium, that is option number 1. For feeding of livestock, groundnut cake is a good source of minerals, vitamins, proteins or fat. So for feeding the livestock, groundnut cake is used, which contains high amount of proteins, since groundnut is a very good source of protein. The 102 question, quality of dry fodder can be improved by the treatment of. So the quality of dry fodder that can be improved by the treatment of common salt, urea, potassium permanganate or DAP. So urea is used for the quality of dry fodder in improvement. So the next question, that is 103. First compartment of stomach of ruminant is called as. So first compartment of stomach of ruminants is known as. So cow is also a ruminant. Ruminants are grass eating animals. So the first compartment of their stomach is known as omasum, abomasum, reticulum or rumen. So omasum is the first compartment which is of stomach in ruminants. The next question, that is 104. In a balanced ratio for buffalo, 2/3 part comes from roughage, 1/3 from concentrate, 1/3 part comes from roughage, 2/3 from concentrate, half part comes from roughage, half come from concentrate, 1/4 part comes from roughage and 3/4 from concentrate. So the 2/3 part of that comes from roughage and 1/3 from concentrate, that is first option. Azolla is an algae, fern, tree or fruit. So azolla is an example of fern, that is option number 2. So 106 question. Sahib dash is a draught breed of cattle. Sahiwal, Nagori, Red Sindhi or Jersey. So Nagori is a draught breed of cattle. This question is repeated. The 107th question. Average gestation period of buffalo is. So the average period of gestation in buffalo is 407 days, 307 days, 270 days or 330 days. So the answer is 307 days. 108th question. Endocrine glands secrete enzymes, coenzyme, hormone or sweat. So endocrine enzymes secrete enzyme, coenzyme, hormones or sweat. So endocrine glands secrete hormones, that is option number 3. 109 question. Night blindness is associated with which vitamin? Vitamin C, A, vitamin K or vitamin B complex. So night blindness is associated with the vitamin A deficiency. Scurvy is associated with which vitamin? Vitamin C, vitamin D or vitamin B complex or vitamin E. So scurvy is associated with the deficiency of vitamin C. Next, dehorning in calf can be done by use of. So dehorning in calf can be done by the use of caustic soda, applying of caustic soda, that is option number 2. 112th question. NDDB, that is National Dairy Development Board, is situated in which state? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana. So NDDB is located at the Gujarat, that is Anand, where Amul is also located. 113th question. Head office of ICR is situated at. So ICR का head office जो है वो दिल्ली में है, that is option number 4. ब्लैक वाटर इज ए डिजीज ऑफ. सो ब्लैक वाटर एक डिजीज है, वो कैमल, हॉर्स, कैटल या डॉग किस में पाया जाता है? सो ब्लैक वाटर इज ए डिजीज विच इज फाउंड इन कैटल, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर 3. Surra is a common disease of. Surra is a common disease found in pig, poultry, camel or dog. So surra is a disease which is found in camel, that is option number 3. 116 question. Vermicompost is made by the use of. So we all know this answer, that vermicompost is mainly used by the earthworms, that is option number 1. 117th question. Tice infiltration in animals may be controlled by the use of malathion, lime, chalk powder or common salt. So the answer is malathion, that is first option. 118th question. Which country produces highest milk in the world? So which country produces highest milk in the world? So India is at first number, which produces highest milk in the world according to 2011 census. 119. Reproduction in animals is associated with the deficiency of. So reproduction in animals is associated with the deficiency of vitamin E, that is known as anti-sterility also vitamin. The Sirohi is a breed of. So Sirohi is a breed of goat. Please remember this. This is an important question, that Sirohi is a breed of goat. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video was very useful to you as you are preparing for agriculture officer examinations. And if you are preparing for any other agriculture related examinations, then do not forget us to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for major updates on agriculture related videos. Do not forget us to follow us on our social media websites like Insta page, Telegram page and our YouTube channel, as well as the WhatsApp group that is the given number. So follow us. Thank you for watching Agriculture and GK.